Hey guys, Victoria here and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to save money when buying designer handbags in France. Is it worth it? How much do you really save? How do you get the savings? All of that. Hey guys, Victoria here, and I hope everyone is safe and well. I originally made this video in March, but with everything that was going on, it didn't feel like the right time to post this. Fast forward to now, since we've been quarantining for a few months, I thought maybe an unboxing video might help satisfy some of those luxury and shopping cravings that we've been having while we've been so good and staying home. And maybe give us something to look forward to once we can safely travel again. So please sit back, relax, enjoy, and I hope that remembering these simpler pre-pandemic times might somehow raise your spirits a little bit today. I recently took a trip to France, and specifically I bought items from Chanel, Chloe, and Louis Vuitton. And they've just been sitting in their bags. I haven't even gotten a chance to use them yet. I'm very excited to open up these items and just see them again and get them out of their bags and boxes. And for each of these items, I'll make sure to break down the price that I paid in France and compare it to the price that I would pay if I were to buy it here in the States. And the savings actually varies a little bit from designer to designer. So the amount that I saved on the item that I bought from Chanel is different from the amount that I saved at Chloe, and it's also different from the amount that I saved at Louis Vuitton. So let's get started with our first bag. I am going to open first this one from Chloe. This one. So this bag I'm actually very excited about because I was in a department store and I didn't plan to buy anything, whereas like I specifically went to Louis Vuitton because there was something that I wanted to buy there, and I specifically went to Chanel because I wanted to buy something there. This one, it just caught my eye, and so here we are. That never happens to me, so I'm just very excited to kind of like see it again. Of course. Ta-da. Ta-da! This is the Faye small bracelet bag from Chloe. Now obviously one of the signature bags from Chloe is the regular sized Faye bag, but I tend to like smaller bags. It is very petite, like look, it's very flat, it's very small. So it's just like, I don't know, kind of like just for the essentials. It does come with a strap that I can kind of hook on to the back. There's so many ways that you can kind of hold it. You can hold it like this, you can hold it like this if you're like waiting for something. You can put it on your arm and just like be hands-free for the most part. The pleats on the side that you can button or unbutton to make it expandy or not. I don't usually like suede. This top is suede, but I think it adds just a kind of a nice dimension to the bag. I'm very excited about this bag. I just think it's so cute. If I were to buy this on the States right now from like Chloe.com, the retail price would be $890. So after tax, let's say tax is about like 9.5%, then it would be $974.55. That is how much this bag would cost if I were to buy this in the States. The price that I paid by buying it in France, after the exchange rate and after all like the tax refunds, $678.66. So that was a savings of $295.89, or about 30% discount by buying this in France. That feels really nice. That does feel like it's worth just like the little bit of extra luggage space that it takes up, and that's money that while you're traveling you can go toward maybe a nicer dinner, or you know, just pocket that savings, and it's like a nice souvenir. Like now when I see this, it'll always remind me of my trip. It's so cute. Like I really like this one. Okay, next item. Put this one away. Next item will be from Louis Vuitton. Spoiler alert, this one is actually not for me. This one's actually for my fiance. So it's a men's item. Let's take a look. They gave me a huge bag for some reason, but it's actually like right. It's just a sleeve. You pull it out. Take that out of there. The moment you open the box, you can just like this like the rush of like leather like aroma just like hits you in the face. It's very like strong leather smell. This is the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer in the nice like black epi leather. And it's just very small and very functional, very cute. He doesn't like his pockets getting really bulky, so this is like just a nice slim wallet for him. If we were to buy this at Louis Vuitton today, the price would be $385 retail price. So after tax, that comes to about $421.58. The price I paid by buying this in France was $255. So that's a savings of $166.58, a savings of 40%. Savings of 40%. That's like getting a 40% discount at Louis Vuitton. That's amazing. So Louis Vuitton feels like a fantastic place to go to when you're in France, especially if there's something that you've had your eye on. I think like between items, the exact savings might vary a little bit, but this is just wow. Wow, wow, wow. Really happy with this one, but it's not for me, so. All right, let's open up our other Louis Vuitton item. This one, they gave me like a promotional bag, which is just a lot more, there's a lot more going on it. This one's also like a small item, but it's for me. It is just a cute little is the key pouch from Louis Vuitton. So because I like small bags, I also like really small wallets. So this one is just a cute little pouch that also has like a connector thing. Hook it to your keys, or you can hook it to the strap of your bag so you always know like where this one is floating instead of having like dig for it in your purse. If I were to buy it at Louis Vuitton in the States, it costs about $205 retail. After sales tax, $224.48 is what I would pay. The price I paid in France was $137.34. So that's about an $87 savings, or about a 39% discount by buying it in France, which is just, again, insane. Like being able to go into Louis Vuitton and just have something be 40% off. Amazing, amazing. Especially if I had bought like a larger item, like a purse, the savings in dollars would just be a lot, a lot, a lot. So Louis Vuitton, again, seems to be a really great designer to go to if you find yourself in Paris and wanting to do some shopping and get some discounts. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and open up the big box. Very excited. Before we open this last item, if you are liking this video and finding it helpful, please like this video below and leave a comment. It makes such a huge difference to me, and it just really helps me to be able to make more videos. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. With that, let's go ahead and open this last item from Chanel. Ta-da. Okay. Oh, oops. This is the Chanel 19 wallet on chain. Inside, of course, you have all of your compartments, 4 different credit cards, little pocket in front, a little very extra secure pocket up here. Not lambskin, also not caviar leather, but goat skin. So it just feels like a little bit more durable than the lambskin, which just feels very soft, but also very fragile. This one just has a nice like bounce and texture to it, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna scratch up. It also has this, which I don't know why, but I'm a sucker for. I don't know why I like bags that can like dangle from this, just like this one does. I don't know, I have a thing for it. So I don't know, I really like it. If I were to buy this today in the States, it retails for $3,050. So after tax, it would be $3,324.50. So what I paid for this in France after the exchange rate and after the tax refund was $2,724. So that's a savings of $600 or 18%. 18% savings. $600 in savings. That's pretty much what I paid for this bag. So it's like by buying this bag in France instead of buying it in the United States, I was able to save enough that I could buy this bag essentially for only $78.66. That's just incredible. So that is all the items that I bought while I was in France. I saved anywhere from 18 to 40%. The total dollar amount that I saved by buying these items in France was about $1,150, which is just wow. Wow, a lot of savings. So now that we've covered how much savings I got on all of these items, the next question is like, how do you actually get those savings? So it's really simple. Pretty much every designer boutique that you go to will offer to help you with a VAT refund or tax refund. And so to qualify for that refund, anytime you go into one of these stores with the intent of purchasing something, make sure to bring your passport. Now, you can only get these savings if your passport is from a country that is not in the EU and you are over 16 years old and the purchase that you are making on a single receipt is more than 175 euros. Most stores will automatically offer to help you with these VAT refunds because they know that you're visiting and that you're in store in order to get these savings, so they're happy to help. Also, I think the store gets a small cut of it, so they're definitely motivated to help you fill out that VAT refund form. They'll usually give you these forms and receipts in things that look like this. So you hold on to these forms, and when you leave France to go home, that's when you take all these forms and you submit them to get your refund. Now, if you are leaving directly from France to go home to your non-EU home country, then you'll be taking care of this in the airport in France. So either Charles de Gaulle or whatever airport that you're leaving from. So the next time that you're in France and you find yourself thinking, should I or shouldn't I buy a designer bag or designer whatever you have your eye on, do really consider it. The savings can be a lot. Chanel, not as much as Chloe or as my Louis Vuitton. But definitely savings nonetheless. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please do me a favor and click that like button below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!